How do you trigger an alarm by making a sound? Let's try a sound sensor. This is part 21 of the KEYESTUDIO 37-in-1 sensor kit, the analog digital sound sensor module. I'll use the fritzing software to show you how to connect everything. Here's what you'll need: an Arduino microcontroller, preferably the UNO version or similar, a 400 tie point breadboard, a USB cable, the sound sensor module, the passive buzzer module, the flashing LED module, 8 to 18 jumper wires, and a small flathead screwdriver. Place the sound sensor on the breadboard towards the middle. Place the other two sensors to the side for later use. Connect the pin labeled AO to analog pin A0. Connect the pin labeled G to ground. Connect the pin labeled plus to 5 volts. Connect the pin labeled DO to digital pin 8. Now here is the real version. Here are the key features of this sensor module. The sound sensor is at the top. The blue square is a 3296 potentiometer that you can adjust to change the trigger values. The L1 LED indicates the circuit board is receiving voltage. The L2 LED turns on when the sensor reading exceeds the threshold value. The LM393 chip is a comparator that checks the threshold value. Next, grab the USB cable connected to the Arduino and then connect to your computer. We'll use the Arduino IDE software for programming the Arduino UNO. So, open the IDE, go to Tools, then Boards, then Arduino AVR boards, then select the Arduino UNO. Then go to Tools again, go to Port, then select the serial port where your Arduino is connected. Upload the following 16 lines of code. Open the serial monitor and observe the values from the sensor. The values should range between 0 and 1023. Use the flathead screwdriver and rotate the screw clockwise. This increases the resistance of the potentiometer, decreases your baseline reading, and decreases the minimum threshold value to illuminate the L2 LED. Now, rotate the screw counterclockwise. This decreases the resistance of the potentiometer and increases your baseline reading and threshold value. Make a sound with your fingers, your voice, or even the screwdriver tapping the table. Rotate the screw until the L2 LED stays on completely, and the digital value remains 1. You can make your own version of an alarm sensor by adding an LED and a passive buzzer. Here is how you connect everything. Use the following code to make a simple alarm. Modify the built-in example from the tone melody sketch to add sound to this alarm. Once you get the hang of it, come back and join us for the next module.